Tak jo. So again.
Okay.
I say, snažíme se říct jedno pivo v estonštině, so we try say one beer in Estonian. So X ilu.
Yks. Say yks. It's one.
X. Good? No? No?
Okay.
It's very hard, I
but
think.
it's, you have these vocals, you know, like a... You know, no. Yks. Very good. Yks. Very good. Yks. Jedno pivo!
Ty se nažidli, jak se řekne. No. Yks, ilu.
Yks good, ölu bad. Ölu. Okay, let's say that it's ölu. Okay, let's make this ölu training. Ölu. Okay, let's start from the Hey, no, so you make but you make you have to make
Okay, you have to. I think you have to be very strong if you'd like to be.
Väga hea!
What's mean?
Very good.
Väga!
Okay, väga hea! Yks õlu! Väga hea! Yks õlu! Väga hea! Yks õlu! Väga hea! Yks õlu! Väga hea! Good. That was good.
Thanks. Väga hea.
Hea. Väga hea. Väga hea. Yes. Yks õlu, väga hea.
Okay. Thanks. Sounds like
That's good. That's a complete Estonian now. Väga hea. Estonians don't say so much. Väga hea. You can say even like väga hea. Complete Estonian. Väga hea. Very good. It's all right. Väga hea. Üks õlu väga hea. Üks õlu väga hea. Üks õlu väga hea. Super.
I never heard Estonian language.
Už to vypnout, nebo ještě chcete něco nahrát?
Už to můžu vypnout.